Sometimes the hardest person to forget is the one you never stopped loving. And when fate gives two broken hearts one more chance to talk, old feelings can return. But so can old wounds. Dana believed she had finally moved on after her painful breakup with Kit. She buried herself in work, surrounded herself with friends, and tried to ignore the memories. But one unexpected evening at a cafe changed everything. Across the room stood Kit. The moment their eyes met, time seemed to stop. Neither of them expected this reunion, yet neither could pretend they didn't still care. Later that night, Dana found herself outside Kit's apartment. She knew she shouldn't be there, but her heart wanted answers her mind couldn't silence. Kit welcomed her in, hoping they could finally have the conversation they never had when they broke up. As they talked, years of buried emotions came pouring out. Dana admitted that the breakup wasn't caused by one big mistake. It was countless little moments when she felt unheard and unimportant. Kit never meant to hurt her, but good intentions couldn't erase the pain she had carried for so long. With tears in his eyes, Kit confessed that not a single day had passed without thinking about her. Dana quietly admitted she had missed him too. For a brief moment, it felt like love might be enough to fix everything. But the next morning brought reality back. Dana asked Kit to delete a private video they had recorded together. He agreed immediately, but when she wondered if another copy still existed, uncertainty replaced hope. It wasn't really about the video, it was about trust. Once trust is damaged, even honest answers can sound like excuses. Kit tried to explain himself, while Dana struggled to believe what her heart wanted to hear. They realized that although their love was still alive, the trust they once shared had never fully healed. Heartbroken once again, Dana walked away. Outside, her friend Daniel was waiting. Seeing her expression, he understood without asking many questions. Then he shared unexpected news. The funny video they had recently created together had gone viral, opening the door to exciting new opportunities. For the first time that day, Dana smiled. She realized that not every chapter is meant to be rewritten. Some people come into our lives to teach us, not to stay forever. Sometimes, moving forward is the bravest way to love yourself. If you enjoyed this emotional story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more heartfelt movie recaps. See you in the next one.